STX stock has been showing a very good amount of strength within a strong bullish trend, or rather a bullish trend. It has gained around 44% since the last 1 month. Got it here? Yeah, since the last 1 month, or 44%. And this is the strength I'm talking about. All of its moving averages, including this 200-day moving average, are now sloping upwards. It's the underlying trend is not strongly bullish, but bullish. It's now, you can see it has the tip of that moving average is now up. All the other moving averages are all up. So if you didn't know what a company does, the company provides mass data storage infrastructure solutions. The company's principal products are hard disk drives, HDDs, commonly referred to as disk drives. In addition to HDDs, the company produces a range of data storage products, including solid state drives, solid state hybrid drives, storage subsystems, as well as scalable edge to cloud mass data platforms. Its HDD products are designed for mass capacity storage and legacy markets. Mass capacity storage involves use cases such as hyperscale data centers and public clouds, as well as emerging use cases, amongst other things. So I think it's dual listed. It's listed in London and on NASDAQ as well. So as it's also one of the best performing stocks on the various sector ETFs, the XLL, XLT, or something like that. One of those ETFs, and yeah, just not very far behind Palantir and SMCI. I think the gain, yeah, yes, exactly. Yeah, you can see it's gained 44% since the last one, just closely behind, if you like, closely behind SMCI. SMCI has gained 51% or thereabouts. So, yeah, this is that strength I'm talking about that has played out. That has played out on the stock. So, in terms of extrapolations, high prices are expected up till the 10th of June. After that, we may see a correction. We may see a correction, and after that, we don't exactly know what's going to happen in terms of projections. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. Let's see. We have yeah, nothing, no upper projection. We have only a downward projection of a 4.02. Let's come down and have a look at its weekly chart and see what the extrapolation is saying. Okay, the extrapolation is rather saying that it's going to correct. There's going to be a correction that will play out. It's going to be a distributive correction. This will hold up till early December of this year, 2025. That's a very long time to come. It does not mean there's no guarantee that this will be the case. So you don't have to bank on that. Let's see now in terms of projections. What do we have? No upper projection. Everything is a downward projection. 63.25, 70.35, 106.32. Okay, let's jump to its 4-hour chart, see what's going on, just to give us an idea of what could happen within its daily chart. So here as well, yeah, the same strength we're talking about here. All the moving averages sloping bullishly upwards. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 20th. That's today by or the today's closing session, and after that we might see some sort of correction up till some sort of contraction up till Friday the 30th of May. Yeah, you know that may also not turn out to be exactly what's going to happen. In terms of projections, we don't have any upper projection. We have 109.69. So we could also try and see where things are, where the stock lies within its market grid. Let's see while that is loading. We can see now here on its on this is on Think and Swim. This is price channel. It's just right at the border, just right at the tip of its price channel. Intraday high of 110.5 printed this morning. At some point, this printed this morning. Let's have a look. Let's see, this is the 4 hour chart. Let's see where it's trading relative to its market grid. So it's at 109. So 109 is what exactly? 109.04. 109.04. So it's trading, yeah, 109.04. So it's just trading in between its resistance and support zones, just right in between them. That's where it's trading. It could be anything. The direction, the next step could be anything. So it's a typical. I think it's a just absolutely. It's just neutral. It's neutral, pretty much neutral. And who knows? It could be a down leg that could print. Yeah, could be a down leg that could print after that contraction. So let's see now. Let's see on its daily chart. What do we have? Close at 109.04. Yes, it's also, yeah, on the daily chart. It's in the resistance zone. So it's yeah. So if you like, with some, to some with respect to the 4 hour chart, it's consolidating. However, that consolidation hasn't played out very well on its hasn't reached its daily chart, so it's still in the resistance zone on its daily chart. I believe we saw, yeah, on the daily chart we saw a contraction. Yeah, so that is what we saw. We saw a contraction we saw that a contraction is expected. So maybe with time it may come and get neutral and trade in between these zones. I can't exactly say. I can't conclude that it was going to be between 108 and 107, because by the time it begins to contract, these values may change. The values will change, and the shape of the grid will equally change. So, but the I think what we can deduce from what we saw in terms of its contraction, volatility contraction on the 4 hour chart, is that it is yet to sufficiently feed through to its daily chart. So no upper projections was visible, but yeah, nothing. We didn't really notice anything as such. Yeah, so just have a look and see what you make of STX. But before we go out, we can actually try and see whether there are upper projections on here on some of the shorter duration charts. Let's see. Nothing here. 108.05 on the 1 hour chart. Let's see for the 5 minute. Let's see what we have. No upper projections. We can still come back and have a look at its 4 hour chart. We may see there might be negated upper projections. No negated upper projections. I just wanted to make sure. No recently negated upper projections. So let's see. Let's go to 3 hour chart. Okay, there's one here negated, but not negated, not very ambitious. 109.92 on the 3 hour chart. Let's go to 2 hour chart. Okay, yeah, we have some here. We have some projections here. How did I miss this? This upper projection, we have quite a decent amount of them here. We have 109.56, 111.47, 112.64. Not really ambitious as such, not really. Let's see. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we have some projections. Not that were in play at some point earlier on. Negated now. 111.34, 113.06, 114.11. Yeah, let's see. Let's look at a 10-minute chart. Yeah, we have some here. We have a projection here. 110.68, 112.82. Yeah. So just see what you make of STX. Yeah. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.